It's Sunday afternoon and I've got nothing better to do, so I'm going to talk about my toilet. Here's my bathroom, and there's my toilet. I'm not actually going to talk about the toilet itself, but I wanted to do a quick video on this TOTO bidet, which is probably one of the best things I've purchased for my house. So I live in a condo, and this toilet came with the condo. It's I believe it's a Moen or a Kohler, one of those brands. And I used it for a few years without the bidet, like just with the normal toilet seat. And then during the pandemic, I just got sick of buying like tons of toilet paper. So I took some advice from one of my friends and purchased this TOTO. It's a K300 unit. I looked at the Amazon, I got it on Amazon, and I'm not sure if the model is K300 or SW3036, but it pops up when you Google either one. So I think the official site says K300, but 3036 might be the color code. But the way it works is you basically just take off the toilet seat, and then there's two holes in the actual toilet itself, and the TOTO has a bracket that you insert into the holes, and then there's like a little expanding like plunger thing that goes into the holes, and then what you do is you slide the bidet onto the bracket and it locks in. So for this actual toilet, it doesn't actually fit. As you can see, there's like this curved area here that interferes with the straight back of the bidet unit. So what I did was I just zip tied and bolted down an extra bracket, so it works fine. But yeah, basically the way I have it set up is there's a supply and a return line that the bidet comes with. It's basically just let me see if I can get a shot of this. It's basically just a reroute. So you just take the water, you route it into the bidet, and then it drains. Actually, how does this work? Yeah, the water comes out into the toilet, and it tees off and goes into the bidet. So it's basically just a T-line. It comes with everything you need, and you just hook it into the water supply. Obviously the other thing it needs is power. So you can see I have power right here, and what I've done is I've routed it down, and then I've got this like office cord hider thing, which kind of matches the flooring, which is concrete in my apartment or condo, and then I just have it going up to the wall, and that's a GFI outlet, like a normal outlet. So yeah, bidets are awesome. If you haven't ever used one, you're probably very skeptical. I was a huge skeptic at first, but the thing you need to realize is they are they're very, very effective. So basically what you do is, the way it works is you sit down, you do your business, and then what you do is you hit the button on this remote control. I have mine mounted for easy reach. I don't even take it off the wall. I just hit the button while it's sitting on the mount. It's just a magnetic mount. It comes off like that. Basically what you do is you adjust the temperature and the force, and then you make a preset, and then what you do is you basically just hit this button, and a little wand comes out and it washes your private parts, your ass basically. And it doesn't sound like it would work. Like, if you're used to using toilet paper for the entire process, it kind of sounds like it wouldn't work, but it definitely works. And the good thing about these newer TOTO units is they have An oscillating wand. They have a drying function. They have a front wash, a rear wash. Front wash is for ladies. A rear wash, which is what I use. A stop function, and then there's also a bunch of extra settings and timing, like timers and stuff on the back. So this thing is like fully automated, right? It also warms the water, so you're not going to get like cold water up your ass, which is annoying. So yeah, I would highly recommend this kind of purchase. TOTO sells entire toilets, but those are insanely expensive. Like, I mean, with the bidet included. So those are like thousands of dollars. But I got this one for I think $700 or $800 on Amazon back in 2021. And I just looked online on their on Amazon.com, and you can get one for like 600 bucks now. So they're coming down in price. They're still not like cheap, but there are cheaper brands that you can get. And of course, if you want like the super crazy integrated unit, or you know, one of the higher end toilet seat units like this one, you know, you can spend thousands of dollars if you want. But I'm very happy with this one. It matches the rest of my bathroom. Here's the bathroom. You know, it kind of just blends in. It's white, matches the toilet. It doesn't stick out. You do a little bit of cable management on the power and water, and it looks very integrated. The other thing I would recommend is a Lutron sensor light switch for your bathroom, since you know, I'm in here like I work from home now, so I'm in here multiple times per day, and you know, these have been out since like the 80s or something, so this is old tech, but you can adjust the timer and the sensitivity and all that stuff. But yeah, very easy upgrade for the bathroom. It's very luxurious, very effective, and it saves you a ton of money on toilet paper. One thing I also like is these new faucet handles that I got, which are great. They kind of give it an old school vibe, especially with this lab sink that, I don't know, the condo came with it. It looks kind of old, it's kind of weird, but I like it. And I put a scientific shelving unit with a very, very beefy clamp down there, just to have a little extra space, so when guests come over, they can put their toiletries there. Since this, obviously there's no counter here. Yeah, this is the bathroom setup. That is the bidet. There it is, open. And some of the higher end units have motors, but this one is just easy close, just like that. And of course, the Porsche rubber ducky. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.